Some 185 Jewish settlers storm Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa complex. Turkish and Russian president discuss possible Syria opposition. Assad regime attacks, kills 2 civilians in Syria's Idlib. Free Syrian army transforms into Syrian National Army. Rouhani, Turkey rightful worried about its borders. HIV rumors triggers protest in southwest Iran. Libya, fresh armed clashes near capital Tripoli. Germany, police raids after bomb threats to mosque. Myanmar urged to release Rohingya health for travelling. US bans Chinese official over Uyghur repression. Pakistan premiers talks Kashmir and economy on China visit. India gets first Rafale fighter jet from France.